Hello students, now today we will do exercise 6.2 question number 5th. So the question is x minus y less than or equal to 2. So this is the linear inequality, we have to draw its graph. Okay, so first you have to find the points of x and y. First, when you put x equal to 0, then the corresponding value of y is here minus 2. If you put x at 0, then what is y? Y is minus 2. And when y is 0, then what is x? X is only 2. So there are 2 points. First one is 0 and minus 2, and second one is 2 and 0. Alright, now we have to make two-dimensional plane. Here x axis on the right side and up above the region here which axis? Y axis. Now you can plot some points 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and make 3 points below the region and 3 points on the left of the origin. Here the region. And on the region value of both x and y is 0. Alright. Now you can check your point. The first point is 0 and minus 2. It means value of x is 0 and value of y is minus 2. So value of x is 0 on which axis? Always y axis. हमेशा y axis के ऊपर x की value 0 होगी. Okay. And the value of y is here minus 2. So minus 2 lies below on the region. मतलब region के नीचे lie करेगा. So you can check here. Here point is 0 minus 2. The next point is 2 0. So value of x is here 2 and y is 0. So y 0 is on x axis and x is here 2. So you can plot it on right side of the region. Okay. Now you can join this point 2 0 and 0 minus 2 with scale. Okay. So this is the line. Now you can put value of x and y both 0 0. तो see x और y की वैल्यू 0 0 पुट करोगे उस लीनियर इनइक्वालिटी को शेड करते हुए. Alright. So when x and y is both 0, so 0 minus 0 0 and 0 is what? Less than or equal to 2. So 0 की वैल्यू 2 तक किया less than. So it is true. So when the statement is true, then you can include this 0 0 point in the shaded region. ठीक है, जब स्टेटमेंट ट्रू होगी तो फिर ਜਿਹੜਾ 0 0 पॉइंट ਆ ओरिजिन ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੇਡਡ ਪੋਰਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਨਕਲੂਡ ਕਰੋਗੇ. Alright, so this is your question number 5. Now the next question is 2x minus 3y is greater than 6. So first you can find the points. The first point is 0 minus 2 and the second one is 3 0. Alright, now make two-dimensional plane and mark some points. So the first point is 0 minus 2. So 0 minus 2 is lies on below the region. So here point is 0 minus 2. Value of x is 0. The value of y is here minus 2. The second point is 3 0. So 3 0 is on right of the region. Okay. So here point is 3 0. Now you can join both these points using scale. Now after that you can put x and y both values 0. So दोनों की values 0 से put करूँगा. Okay. So if 2 into 0 0, 3 into 0 0, 0 minus 0 0. Now 0 is greater than 6? No, it is false statement. ठीक है. So now you मतलब तुसी ਹੁਣ इस 0 0 point ਨੂੰ shaded portion ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ include नहीं करोगे. Okay. So you can shade opposite of the origin. तुसी इस line के opposite shade करो on the right side. Alright. तुसी 0 0 point को include नहीं करना because statement false आ रही है. अगर statement होगी true, then you can include this point in the shaded region. Alright, so this is your question number 5th and 6th. Next, this is your question number 7. The linear inequality is minus 3x plus 2y is greater than or equal to minus 6. So first we have to find the value of x and y. So first you can put x 0 and the corresponding value of y is what? Minus 3 into 0, 0. So in the left term is 2y equal to minus 6. The value of y is what? Minus 6 over 2, it is minus 3. So the first point is 0 minus 3. Now put value of y 0, then the corresponding value of y is what? 2 into 0 0. So minus 3x equal to minus 6. Now minus minus cancel. So what is x? 6 over 3. So 6 over 3 is what? Only 2. So the second point is 2 0. Now draw the graph and mark some points 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. So this is x axis and this is y axis. The So 0 and minus 3 lies on which axis? It is lying on y axis, because here value of x is 0 and value of x is 0 on y axis. So point is here 0 minus 3, because y की value is negative. ठीक है, on y negative lies on below the origin. ठीक है, origin the नीचे lie करेगा below. The second one is 2 0. Here value of y is 0 and y 0 is on always x axis, and value of x is here 2, so 2 is lying on positive x axis. So the point is 2 0. Now join this point. Alright, now you can put value of x and y both 0. When x and y 0, then what? 0 is greater than or equal to minus 6. So it is true or false? It is true, because minus 6 lies on left of the 0. ठीक है, तो minus 6 number line में 0 के left side पे lie करूँगा. That's why 0 is greater than minus 6. Statement is true. अब statement true, then we include this 0 0 point in the shaded region. So point 0 0 line on the region. So you can shade here. You see left side is okay. You can include this 0 0 point in the shaded portion. All right. Now the next question number 8 is 3y minus 5x less than 13. So first find the points. So one time you can put x 0. So when x is 0, what is the value of y? Y is 30 over 3. How much? 10. And when you can put y 0, then what is x? X is 30 over minus 5. It is minus 6. So first point is 0 and 10. And second point is minus 6, 0. Okay. Now draw the graph x and y and plot some points 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6. Alright. So here x axis and y axis. So जेडे में difference ले रहे हैं तो बच्चे 2 to the intervals के ले रहे हैं points. ठीक है. So first point is 2, second one is 4, 6, 8. तो see according to points see intervals ले सकते हैं. अगर points को ज़्यादा बढ़े तो तुझे 10 का difference ले लो, 5 का ले लो according to the points. Okay. तो see 1 on the difference ले सकते हो interval के बीच. ठीक है. But I take difference of 2. Okay. So here region 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 6, minus 6, minus 2, minus 2, minus 6, minus 6. So the first point is 0, 10. Here value of y is what? 10. So it is lying in the opposite region. So here value of x is 0 and y is 10. The second point is minus 6, 0. Here value of x is minus 6 and y is 0. So it lies on the left of the region. So point lies here minus 6, 0. Now you can join this point using scale. Now you can put value of y and x both 0. So when x and y is 0, then what is this? Inequality. So it is 0 is less than 30. So 0 is less than 30. It is true or false? It is true. It is true. Now you can include this point 0 0 in the shaded region. Alright, so this is your question number 8 and question number 7. The next question number 9, y less than minus 2. So this linear inequality is in only one variable. सिर्फ इस which only एक variable है, that is y. And the 10th question, there is only one variable x. Okay, so किसी कोई भी वैल्यू फाइंड नहीं करोगे क्योंकि तुम्हें वैल्यू पता है y की वैल्यू कितनी आती है -2. बस उसे शेडेड पोर्शन उन्हें ड्रॉ करना है. ओके, सो you can plot some points 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is x axis and this is y axis. Here value of y is what? Value of y is -2. So value of y minus 2 is nice here. So you can draw a straight line. Okay. Now you can put value of y is here 0. You see y value 0 put करो. When you put 0, then 0 is less than -2. It is true or false? 0 minus 2 to less than? No, it is false because 0 lies on the right of -2. Right side lie करूँगा -2 पे. Now GD value right side पे होगी, that is greater. But here 0 comes on the 0 is less than -2, so the statement is false. This is false statement. Now you can check your 0 point comes on the region, 0 point of y का region क्या होगा, but the statement के false इस करके किसी इस point में include नहीं होगा. Now you can shade it downwards. उसी नीचे shade करो. Okay. Next, this is the question, the last question number 10 of this exercise 6.2. The question is x greater than minus 3. So again, in this inequality, there is only one variable. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay. Now the value of x is what? Minus 3. So minus 3 lies on the left of the region. 1, 2, 3. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So value of x is what? Minus 3. So minus 3 lies on the left of region. So you can draw a straight line parallel to y-axis. Now you can put value of x as 0. If you can put 0, then what? 0 is greater than minus 3. It is true or false? It is true. Because 0 minus 3 the right side like and it is greater than minus 3. So it is true. Now you can include this 0th point in the shaded region. Okay. Now you can shade on the right side. So this is your question number 9 and question number 10. Thank you.